Guys, back in the business. There. The saw. Here I have again my parcel with all screws and everything in it. Yes, so let's go on. So at first we need the 4 screws for the cylinder. She had a broken piston, so yeah, what to say, I gave her a new one. The customer didn't want one from an original, so he bought one from Sägenspitze, maybe you know it, maybe you know it not. The pros with chainsaws will notice. So, ja, breng met Zange. So now all screws are in, 4 screws, and now you're pulling them, but this one, this one, this one, this one, so you have an X. This is very important in fixing chainsaws. So, insert on, last one. So, and now we make again our X. Yeah. And the last one. Very nice. Now we can go on with the handle. I was using of these. Let's take a look inside. What is still going on? What is there inside? Can you see it? Ah, you cannot see it. I will take it out for you to take a look. Yeah. To get this thing out without getting the fuel everywhere. What is this? Now I got it out. Take a look. I don't know why there are 2 fuel filters, but this is definitely not. No, not the original. That is from China. Our friends from China. Let's throw it away. Never buy things from China, guys. Very bad quality. So now we need to make this. The wires need to get here through. Oh no, there's this missing. Ach komm. So very nice. So now we need to get him. Now you can't see him. This through the tank. See you. So now back in the game. Now we need this ring. Put him here. Here you can make nothing wrong. Just the wires. And there is another ring. Where is he? He's not in my box. So I need to search him. See you. Here he is. So put him in there. Now we can go on with the carbon. So like this. And put in the wires again. Put them there inside. And he's back in the game. So, and put him. Then I will always make it like this. Oh no, but I started some dirt in the carp. Come out. Do you see that? If I make it like this. Not very nice. Everything clean, very nice. So now we can do so like this and put him air on. So nice, the wires are free. Let's put the fuel pipe there back. So very nice. Now we can do in there. I hope you can see it. So this needs to get there. Now we need this part. Do this here. Also, man. So push him into that and then stick it there inside. Very nice. So now put this here. Everything is working. So now we need one screw. The screw, this is not the original one, but working also. So the screw right there inside. Need to find the hole. Just sorgen me. So now we got him. What is going on? So make him this. Now we need 1, 2. Put him in there and the same again. Hope you can see it, yes. And here the same. No, very good. Fine. So now we can go on this side. We are on this side. So, stämmer this there. And now we put this here inside. Search our 2 screws. The screws. Oh, sorry. No. I made a mistake. The screws. And put them there. And the same action again. So the screws are ready. Where's this plate? But no, this saw doesn't have anyone anymore. So we put this. Nice. I clean it a little bit. Very nice. So now we need them. Bring there on. Where's the other? Another? Here. So come off. So yeah, because if your chain breaks, this will catch it. Now we need this screw And the same action again. So, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. This is like this, and after I did the screw inside, we can turn it also. Nice. And this thing again, back here. Very nice. So, now we take this handle. Very nice. Screws. And the same action again. So ready. The last one on this side. And turn it. Here we have 2 screws again. One here. And another one again here. So, very nice. Turn it. And by the way, I think I didn't tell you, this was the old piston, damaged. There's a new one inside. I think, can you see it? Yes. Yeah, going very hard because of the compression. That is crazy, man. Yeah, because there is now some, you never ever build this piston with no oil in it inside. You, every time you build it inside, you do some oil in the piston and in the cylinder, and because of that it's having much more compression now, and yeah, that is clear for every fun, yeah, for everyone. So now that is another part. We will make the exhaust. This part. We take the screws. 2 screws inside. Go in there. And another one. I often make it like this and then stick it there inside. Now you couldn't see that. So, and now we have the screws. Put it there. Ja, so mal. Was soll denn das? So, now you can put it there very easily. And now we need to make some screws. Now we need this part, very easy, this and 2 screws again. Not very much work. And yeah, the exhaust is ready for takeoff. And now we will go here, so check if everything is very good. And yes, very nice. So we can do starter, just put it like this, and yes. Now we need 4 screws, again, 1 for here, 1 for here, 1 for here, and 1 for here. Very nice. So and then we will make the carb ready, and then the saw is ready for a test run. So I don't know how much minutes I have now. Maybe I will make two parts, maybe it will be one long part, or I have not much minutes, so it will be one part for you guys. So, and yeah. Ja, så går man by side då. Yeah, now it's coming the sun out, very nice. So is this. Only this one and this one. So. And the last one. Then we will make the carb. And ready. Very nice. Why is there some overtraining? Why is this some why is there some over? Is this? Yes, it is. So this we will find out later. Now we have again two, and put them there. Fuck. I forgot something, guys. Something really important to turn her off. Maybe you saw it, maybe you saw it not. So now you can think and to turn her off. I forgot it. And easy again, like with the MS 180. Only push it there inside. Now we can make it. Ja, was ist jetzt da los? Now put it back there, like before, nothing changed. And this, try and make it ready. So, yeah, come on. So do you see this? Here is no distance, because there is a part missing. I said it, the customer said, if you have it, do it inside. So I need to look later in my holy halls to take a look for it. Yeah, so this is ready. So now we take the two, like before, and do them there. Very nice. So another one, two. Now her. And the other side too, of course. Very nice. Now we need a part. Where is it? I saw it. Let me take a look. here we have it. This part. To turn this off. Like this. Put it in there. Now this. And ready. So don't forget the wires. This one you put here to this thing. Oh, spoel me. Now. Very nice. And here, do you see it? I need a new cap. And so now I will search one. See you. So now it's time for the last steps. And where is he? Here is he. Put this here. Very nice. And this one. And where is the problem? Now, very nice. So, last, this one, wrong side, this side, and another one, and we are ready. Whoa, really exhausting. With making YouTube videos, fixing chainsaws is much longer than fixing it without making a YouTube video. Aber was soll's? Auf gut Badisch gesagt. Was soll's? Kann man nichts machen. Kann man nicht ändern. Ready. Back in the game. See you when I test it. So guys, as you could see, she's running very nice. She's oiling too, very much. And yeah, so the other saw I will test tomorrow, but I think this will not come in this video. So yeah, have a nice day, and this was our second YouTube video. Have it, and see you in the next video. The Chainsaw Pros.